Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Aaron Drawhorn.
And I'm Kimberly Roosley. A landmark trial underway at the Jefferson County Courthouse.
Ordinarily, this would be an accused drug dealer in trouble with the law after an alleged client dies, but not this time at all. Dalton Batiste is charged with murder. Prosecutors say he sold pills laced with fentanyl that caused two men to die of drug overdoses. The victims, 38-year-old Aaron Sanchez, described as a beloved father, son, brother, uncle, and friend. Also 24-year-old Matthew Kreiss, a graduate of Texas A&M University in College Station.
KFDM's Iman Abraham was in the courtroom for this first day of testimony.
You heard from her live at 5 and 6. She's live now in studio here at 10 to wrap up exactly what the jury heard today. Iman?
Aaron, Kimberly, this is the first Jefferson County murder trial linked to a fentanyl overdose death. The trial is expected to last all week long.
This is the case, this is the time, and you are the jury.
The state of Texas versus Dalton Batiste testimony is underway. The defendant, Dalton Batiste, is charged with 2 counts of murder. Tommy Coleman, the prosecutor, highlights for the jury how unique this case is.
This is the case that those commercials and the one pill kill campaign is all about. This is what people were worried about, the legislature were worried about.
3 men overdosed from fentanyl. Aaron Sanchez died from the overdose on the scene at this home on Tyler Street in Beaumont. Matthew Kreiss was rushed to the hospital, but Kreiss passed away days later.
In this case, Matthew Kreiss and Aaron Sanchez would be taking what they would think would be a prescription pill, albeit illegally, but they would take what they thought was Percocet, and unfortunately it contained a lethal amount of fentanyl.
Batiste pleaded not guilty to the 2 counts of murder. If convicted, he is facing up to life in prison.
This is the case that the billboards are all about, and that's what the evidence will show.
Defense said in its opening statement it plans to prove Batiste is innocent. Attorney Tom Kelly warned the jury that state would try to pull a magic trick by mentioning federal agencies like the DEA and showing the jury graphic autopsy photos. The defense stated, "Can the state of Texas draw a straight line from the fentanyl that took the lives of those 2 gentlemen back to Dalton Batiste? When we get to the end, we will ask you to follow your oath and find him not guilty in both indictments." The jury has heard from 5 witnesses and seen body cam footage and photo evidence so far. Another man, 43-year-old Howard Celestine, is serving a 20-year sentence for drug delivery linked to the same case. The state is expected to call him to testify. The trial will resume tomorrow morning at 9. Reporting live in studio, Iman Abraham. Aaron, back to you.